Welcome to the Island Family Fun Center in the resort town of Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This center is surrounded by the beautiful Great Smoky Mountains. It is filled with amusement attractions, games and arcades, restaurants, unique retail shops, and has a stage for live music. It is free to park with a pretty reliable tram, free to enter, and the activities and such are subjectively affordable. They even have an unlimited ride all day pass for some of the attractions if you plan on staying there all day. This area seems to focus on Southern culture, but this place, though it does have dashes of country, is more akin to a boardwalk town or like an uber touristy area like Wisconsin Dells or Branson, Missouri. One of its major features is a large music and light show fountain that plays 2 songs every half hour. The nighttime is obviously the best time to see the light show. See the links below for the island's main page, which has a section on timed itineraries, the official Pigeon Forge tourist guide website, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.